adore the series. It's one of my favorite video game franchises.
Can you change the voice language?
Subtitles on. I want that shit on.
No, remember that one per episode? You have to read all of that shit.
I consent.
No, you have to read all of that, bro.
I trust Capcom. I trust Capcom. What was okay? Fuck it, let's do it. Oh my god. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident. And I'm not reading all that. Oh my god!
Yo, open door. That's honestly how my crib looks like.
That's literally my living condition. It looks like a dildo.
Is anybody there? I think so.
Oh, fucking tweakers! Oh snap!
Hey, watch out, boy!
He's using the sharpening that knife too. Damn.
Yeah. To the edge of our seat, we could have finished.
Fucking rat!
Ugly ass rat. Yeah, I was gonna say it. God, ugh.
What?
Oh, what the
shit!
Fuck? Get his ass!
Ah!
He's tweaking, bro.
My name. I hear the stabbing noise from my controller, so it's very weird. I just hear gushing and fluking and bushing and
gushing and mooshing, gushing and moosh. Oh, hey!
Can I sneak through him? I remember seeing someone was really pissed off that they changed how she looks.
Really?
I think it was either how she looks or how she sounds. They were like, "Yeah, that's not her." I was like, "That." Oh, son of a fuck! No, God! Oh my fuck! They did burn him.
No, they're burning him right now. Hey, green herb, green stuff. Oh,
she don't see me. Ooh, no. She do see me. Okay, well I'm gonna. Such a bad stuff. Oh! Oh!
Chill.
There. Oh my fucking god.
There's a bear trap nearby.
Yeah, I know. Fucking grandma. Let me give him his balls. Doctor, where is he? Oh wait, stop playing. Where is he? Oh god damn. There he is.
Oh,
fuck that. I was reloading.
Oh my god.
Move.
Oh my god.
Out the way. Oh! Free. Oh shit! What's he doing, yo? Oh, get in here with me. Ah! Leave me alone. Do not touch me. All of you, do not touch me. Do not touch me. He ran after me. What the fuck? Why
bro?
Move.
Flip, bro.
Move.
I'm dying.
Move. Stop hitting me, please, man. Fuck that chicken. We're safe up here. What the hell? Bro.
You're so fucking lucky.
Cool. Please do the joke.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yes, dude, they did it!
Yes, sir.
Oh, that was dope.
What do you think, motherfuckers?
I'm finished.